Hey there, I just found this like really good guide on how we can fix the 913 issue for your Sonos, and this is something that you can do. Now, the first thing that you want to do is that you want to right click on a music folder you want to share with Sonos. Right click, then you're gonna click on properties, and then you're gonna go on a sharing, and then you're gonna click on a share, and then you want to click here that choose people to share it with, and you can have Sonos wireless HiFi system right here. So do you see it? So first you're gonna click on the properties, then sharing, share, Sonos wireless HiFi system, and then from the pull-down menu in the center of the window from which you want to share, click share the button in the bottom of the network access right here. And then it took Sonos 10 minutes to add the library of 10k songs, and that's pretty much it how you're gonna fix that. And I hope it's going to work out for you. So I just wanted to make this like this is something that I found, and maybe it's going to find beneficial to you. So have a great day and goodbye.